Alrighty folks, we are in Chinle and we had to come to the Ace Parts or Ace Mart over here, the Ace hardware store, because the roof rack is broken on one side. The bolts that hold it on, I don't know if they came loose and the nuts fell out, but this bolt right here holds in the roof rack and it is just completely loose, dangling in there. And the other one is basically doing the same thing. So this entire side of the roof rack is now not secured to the vehicle. We bought some ratchet straps. We're going to ratchet strap this rack down to the truck into the eye bolts, and then that should hold it. Okay, what we've had to do is ratchet strap the rack down to the tie-ins on the truck. And this should hold this side, and this side is tied directly to the frame of the vehicle up underneath. Okay, crisis averted. We have the rack now strapped down on both sides, or the passenger side on both points, and on the road again. We're gonna run up here to Monument Valley and go over and see where Forrest Gump Point is, where the famous scene was filmed, and Dennis just so excited she can't stand to herself. I want to see it too, but it's going to be incredible. Yay, we made it to Utah! Is where Forrest Gump did his famous scene. Spectacular. Get a chance, come out and check it out. Look like ants riding sticks. Well, folks, this looks like camp for the night. Oh, guys, it's been one hell of a day. Drove all the way into Utah from Chinle, Arizona, where we were at the
Cottonwood.
Cottonwood campground. What was the name of that canyon?
Thunderbird.
No,
the Canyon de Chile.
Yeah, this canyon where Navajo Indians had built in some cliff dwellings, and apparently there was a massacre there too as well from the Spanish army that came through. We decided to drive out to Valley of the Gods to find a camp spot, and that has turned into be an ordeal unto itself. The wind is horrible out here.
Not as bad as what it was at Gooseneck, but yeah.
Yeah.
But regardless of the winds, you cannot beat these views.
Yep. These views are awesome. We found a nice little spot here near the back side of Valley of the Gods, and we got a little shade going. If you can't tell, we got the truck shading the sunlight and a little bit of the wind. So we're gonna relax for a bit. We're gonna then probably have some leftovers from the other night. Then I made a good amount. I think I'll fly the drone here in a little bit too, just to kind of give you all a view of the area, and then we will have a little dinner and crash out for the night. As a tradition, we try to pick up some unique rocks from the locations we go to. This dry riverbed is a perfect location to try to pick up some rocks, so we're going to take a little hike down here and see if we can't find some unique ones. That's slate, huh?
That's what it looks like.
Oh, cool. It's right here. Nah.
Yeah, this is all horse.
wires can collapse so well, and all of a sudden they don't.
And this is what happens when you lose your drone. Wave!
When it tells you have 7 minutes left on the drone, don't push it to 3 or to 5. Bring it in. I had to go climb back up this ridge here to get out of this pit. Note to self, bring the drone in when it tells you to.
And that's dedication, folks.